Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is narrated by Mother of Believers, Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa, that Allah's Messenger ﷺ intended to perform ITIKAF. He ﷺ would pray the Fajr prayer and enter the place of ITIKAF. Once he ﷺ intended to have seclusion in the last 10 days of Ramadan and ordered to tent, so it was fixed. When I saw this, I said that my tent should also be fixed. So it was pitched, and then the other wives of the Holy Prophet ﷺ also asked to set up tents. So they were installed. After the Fajr prayer, he ﷺ saw the tents and said, "What is this? Are they intending to do good?" So he ﷺ ordered to remove his tent. He ﷺ postponed his ITIKAF until the first 10 days of Shawwal. Imam Malik narrated from Yahya bin Sa'id and said, he ﷺ performed ITIKAF on the 20 days of the Shawwal. Abu Dawud 2464.